Ladies, give this a go today. Spray this. Go back to tradition. As this was born after revolutionary times in Europe more than 110 years ago. 110 years. And now we find ourselves once again in revolutionary times, amidst, not pre, we're in it. Put on your favorite sweater, warm, fuzzy. Spray some of this, enjoy. The powder of the tradition. And think about your time, your present, with something that is tried and true, something that came out way before, something like Chanel No. 5, something that was born out of a lot of blood and sweat, and maybe it'll give you a thought of what's to come here, and you might feel better about yourself as you go back to tradition and to know what's good. So from Guerlain, Paris, L'HEURE BLEUE. Give it a go. Let me know. Bye-bye.